Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the Google Chrome browser and type in download Windows 11. Should be the first one here. I'll leave it in the link down below. Just click it. And here we're going to go to the second one because we want to download Windows 11 installation media. So just click on download now. While it's downloading, make sure you plug in a USB that you don't care that will get formatted. Click on it. From here, click yes. Just give it a minute here to load up all the files. We'll click on accept. We'll say next on this part. Select USB flash drive. Click on next, but before that, just make sure you have the right USB, not an SD card or something that you left plugged in. So I just double check here. Okay, I'm good. So then I can click on next. Let it load up a little bit here. And then from here, just let it do its thing. It's going to do everything for you. You just let it run until the very end. It's going to finish, and I'll show you that part shortly. Alright, now that it's done, you can just click on finish. Here you can see the F file. If you click on it, you can see that the setup file and everything's all in here now. So your USB is now usable for a bootable USB. So you can just eject it. And you're ready to start using it to install Windows 11 on a computer. Thanks for watching.